Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your cryptocurrency seed phrase properly, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your digital assets. Step 1. Write your seed phrase on paper using pen or permanent marker immediately when creating a new wallet. Never type it on any digital device. Step 2. Verify you wrote the phrase correctly by using it to restore your wallet in a test environment or by carefully double-checking each word. Step 3. Create multiple physical copies of your seed phrase on paper or metal plates and store them in different secure locations to prevent loss. Step 4. Store copies in fireproof and waterproof safes, safety deposit boxes, or with trusted family members who understand its importance and won't access your funds. Step 5. Never take photos of your seed phrase. Store it in email, notes apps, cloud storage, or any digital format vulnerable to hacking. Step 6. Consider using a metal backup solution like steel plates specifically designed for seed phrase storage to protect against fire and water damage. Step 7. Create a secure inheritance plan by providing trusted family members or lawyers with instructions to access your seed phrase only in specific circumstances. Step 8. Regularly verify that your stored seed phrases remain legible and accessible. Updating storage methods if paper deteriorates or storage locations become compromised. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.